Welcome to this explainer. Today we're diving into a topic that's, well, kind of mind-boggling. The 10 to the 500th multiverse. How big is reality? We're going to take a massive cosmic zoom today, starting right down here on the dirt of our home planet and launching all the way up to the absolute limits of theoretical physics. Prepare to completely redefine your sense of scale, because we are embarking on a conceptual journey into a mathematical space so unimaginably vast it literally defies human comprehension. Get ready to rethink absolutely everything you thought you knew about our place in the grand scheme of things.
So how big is reality, right? To even begin to tackle this, we kind of have to stretch our everyday understanding of scale. We need to step onto a conceptual elevator and take it straight up. I mean, on a day-to-day basis, reality just feels like the size of our neighborhood, our city, or, maybe the whole planet if we're feeling adventurous. But to truly grasp what modern theoretical physics is suggesting about the cosmos, we've got to totally let go of those comfortable terrestrial boundaries. We need to prepare ourselves to zoom out further than we ever have before.
Let's establish a baseline of reality right here in our cosmic backyard. Comparing the Earth to our Sun is a fantastic place to start. Earth holds literally everything we've ever known. It encompasses every ocean, every mountain, every single person you have ever met. But when you put our massive life-sustaining world side by side with our local star, the Sun, wow! Suddenly, our planet is just a tiny, fragile little speck next to a raging cosmic inferno.
Get this, 1 million. Our Sun is so incredibly vast that you could pack exactly 1 million Earths inside of it. Let that anchor you for a second. 1 million entire planets just tightly squeezed into our single local star. It's a colossal scale, absolutely huge. But honestly, it's just our first little step on an escalating ladder of reality.
Because here's the crazy part. When scaling up to the vastness of the observable cosmos, that colossal million-Earth capacity Sun basically becomes a mere speck of cosmic dust. As we accelerate our zoom outward, that local star gets totally lost in a sea of other stars. And those stars? They get lost in a sea of galaxies, expanding endlessly out into the observable universe. So that baseline of 1 million Earths, which felt so massive just seconds ago, is completely humbled by the sprawling scale of the cosmos we can actually see. It perfectly sets the stage for the massive conceptual leap we're about to take next.
Right as we start to wrap our heads around the awe-inspiring vastness of our single universe, theoretical physics throws us a massive curveball: string theory. This is a theoretical framework that predicts a multiversal structure way beyond our cosmos. It doesn't safely stop at the edge of our observable universe. No, it pushes the boundaries of reality infinitely outward. It actually suggests a multiverse where our entire universe, with all its billions of galaxies, is just one single tiny bubble in an endless frothing ocean of other universes. And each of those could operate with entirely different laws of physics. We are officially stepping way out of the bounds of everything we know.
Now remember our anchor of 1 million from earlier? That scale felt enormous just a few moments ago, right? Well, as we step into the wild realm of string theory, modern physics is about to make that number look entirely insignificant. Earlier, 1 million Earths represented this mind-boggling, almost incomprehensible scale. It was our ultimate threshold for the word huge. Actually, scratch that. Everything is about to change.
Here is the real jaw-dropper. String theory mathematically predicts a multiverse containing 10 to the power of 500 possible universes. 10 to the 500th power. We aren't talking about millions or billions or even trillions anymore. This is a framework so mathematically rich, so overflowing with pure possibility, that our entire observable cosmos becomes smaller than a single grain of sand on an endless beach.
To truly grasp the sheer absurdity of that mathematical prediction, just imagine a 1, followed by 500 zeros. Try to actually picture writing that out on a piece of paper. You'd write a 1 and then 0 after 0 after 0, filling up line after line, page after page. It's absolutely wild. That visual represents the staggering volume of possible universes residing within this predicted multiversal structure. It's a scale that so completely dwarfs our initial million Earths that it just shatters the very limits of human thought. We are looking at the absolute furthest theoretical edge of reality.
So as we wrap up this cosmic zoom in our explainer today, we're left with a truly staggering thought. If there are 10 to the 500th possible universes, what does that mean for ours? I mean, if reality is a structure containing a 1 followed by 500 zeros of possibilities, where does that leave us? Does existing as just one possibility out of 10 to the 500th power make our little blue planet totally insignificant? Or does it make it infinitely more precious simply because we are actually here to observe it?